The situation. These things are tarnished, so we have to get our Tarnex and untarnishify them. It's all silver. Look at that. We probably could take that in and get ourselves a pretty penny for it, but I think we're going to clean it instead. So I'm not quite sure how this process works, but
I did not hear you.
I said I'm not quite sure how this process works, but we're going to try it and see what's going on. Let me first show you the product we're going to be using. It's called Tarnex, Tarnish Remover. Sterling silver, silver plated, platinum, gold, diamonds, and wipe and rinse and done. All right, Tarnex, here we go. Tarnex, do you need gloves? Because I just touched this.
Is it leaking?
I don't know, I got it all over my hands.
Here.
You need a mask?
No.
What do you do, just pour it on it? That's it?
Look how fast it turns, cleans.
Wow. You need like 2 buckets so you can just pour the other bucket on it.
No, I just use them.
You just use the whole bucket?
I just dump the bottle in, then I put the bottle back in with a with my thing. You know.
So you got to do this in a well-ventilated area.
That's why I do it outside.
Oh, it cleans it right up, doesn't it? Oh, I see what you're doing. Now what do you do with that?
And I rinse it. It's done. Look at that.
What about the bell? The bell looks like it needs it.
What about what?
That little bell down there.
Yeah, that just gets a little, doesn't get as clean. It doesn't get as, it's all different silver, you know?
We got this at the Del Rey Fair, remember?
Yeah, years ago. That's it. Now I rinse it off, put it down.
Okay, do you need help?
I don't think so.
All right, so that looks pretty good. Where are you gonna set it? Over there? Will that screw up the, that thing looks a little
It
tight.
stays like that. It doesn't, it's a different silver. It's a bummer.
Look, I had it on pause. Unbelievable. All right, let's see how she looks after we get her.
These are different too. They just get a little bit cleaner.
And that's all you have to do, huh?
Yep.
That stuff's probably not good for the plant. Sorry, plant. So far, we've got that many done. Woo. These aren't actually that bad.
No, I go a lot longer because I did them a little while ago. And I'm not really dripping much of any of this because I leave it in the bucket, you know?
Mm-hmm. Let's see one that's really dirty.
Yeah, these are pretty clean.
So far, so good.
That broke.
Oh, that's not
Yeah,
fun.
I've been doing that.
So this one should be good because it's pretty tarnished. Let's see how it comes out. have to just get the stuff out. It just takes it right off, huh?
This broke the handle on the side.
Oh, shoot.
Which this serves no purpose. Jean just gave it to me because she gave it to Mom and Mom didn't want them. See, they don't come particularly really clean either.
Oh. Well, I gotta say the tea kettle came super clean.
What'd you say?
The tea kettle really came clean.
Yeah, so look at
was
the
good.
silver, you know? This thing cleans up pretty well.
Depending on how silvery it is, it will. Oh, look at that. That's an interesting idea. Oh, look at this. How quickly it's cleaning it. Oh, interesting. That one's gonna look good. Wow. Now spinning it. Oh wow, that cleaned up good, huh?
That's it.
Now that one must be total silver because
Yep.
it really got a good cleaning on it. Look at this
I don't know
interior.
where I got that from. Somebody.
Let's see the inside of it.
Reed and Batten. That's a good name. I might have gotten it as a wedding gift. I don't know.
Right, like this right here was silver, and that's fully silver. And look how good they cleaned up. Last but not least is this tea kettle, which is kind of hard to do because it's all weird.
Huh?
You just pour it all over, huh? That's it. And here's a better view. Look how clean that is. Holy cow! That just really came out nice.
And
Yeah,
then
Tarnex
you're
works.
supposed to throw it away, but I don't. I put it back in the bottle and I use it over again.
Oh, do you?
Yep.
Oh, you're cheating the system.
Yep.
Way to go.
It dissipates, you know, with each one.
Less ability to clean. I think it looks good, man. I think you did a great job. Woo! Look at that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, get some Tarnex and clean your silver. That stuff works.